Hello and welcome to Ninja English, the program where you learn real English through everyday topics. I'm Anna.
And I'm Sam. Hello there. In this program, we chat about an interesting subject and teach you some useful vocabulary along the way.
That's right. So, Sam, at the start of the year, did you set yourself any big goals?
I did. I said I'd learn the guitar, go to the gym and read more books. So far, I can play one song badly.
You're not alone. And that's our topic today, goals, and why so many of them fail. We're asking, why do we give up on our goals? And how can we set ones that actually work?
Ooh, I need this. But first, here's today's question. The most famous goal-setting method is called SMART. What does the letter S stand for? Is it A, simple, B, specific, or C, special?
I'll go with A, simple.
A reasonable guess. We'll find out at the end of the program.
So, Sam, the first mistake people make is that their goals are too vague. I want to get fit. That's not really a plan.
True. So should we aim high? Set big, ambitious goals?
Well, to aim high means to set yourself ambitious goals, to try for something big. And it's good to aim high, but you also need to be specific. Don't just aim high, set your sights on something clear. To set your sights on something means to decide exactly what you want and really focus on it.
So instead of, I want to get fit, I set my sights on running 5 kilometers by June.
Exactly. Now that's a real goal. And once you've set your sights on it, you need to check that you're on track.
On track, meaning making good progress? Doing what you should to reach the goal?
That's it. If you run 3 times a week, you're on track. If you stop, you start to fall behind.
And what about when things go wrong? When I don't quite make it?
That's when we fall short. To fall short means to fail to reach a goal or to not quite be enough.
I definitely fell short on the reading goal. I read 2 books, not 20.
But here's the important thing. Falling short isn't failing. It's information. You just set a smaller, clearer goal next time.
I like that. So if I keep going, all this effort will pay off.
Exactly. To pay off means to be successful, to produce good results in the end. The small steps you take today pay off later.
So, aim high. Set your sights on something specific. Stay on track. And even if you fall short, keep going, because it pays off.
Beautifully said. And that's basically what the SMART method teaches.
Which brings us back to today's question. I asked, in SMART goals, what does the S stand for? Anna, you said simple.
I did. Was I right?
Not quite. The answer is B, specific. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A good goal is all 5.
Specific? Of course. So a vague goal never really had a chance.
Right, let's recap today's vocabulary. First, we had to aim high, to set ambitious goals.
Then to set your sights on something, to decide what you want and focus on it.
We also had on track, making good progress toward your goal.
To fall short, to fail to reach a goal or not be enough.
And finally, to pay off, to be successful in the end.
And that's all for today. So tell us, what's one goal you've set your sights on this year? Let us know in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to Ninja English for a new episode every week. Bye for now.
Bye!